Speaking under personal explanation, member representing Abeokuta State Constituency, Honorable BC Oyedele, spoke on the illegal raid on the business premises of some residents by the men of Nigeria's Customs Service in the guise of confiscation of petroleum motor spirit known as fuel purchased from the filling stations in the neighboring communities for domestic use. Honorable Oyedele lamented the directive of the federal government on the embargo placed on the sales of petroleum products within 20 kilometers to the border, which had led the residents of the border communities resulting to buy petrol in kegs for personal use, which was now subjected to raiding by the customs.
My name is BC Oyedele, and by the grace of God, I am the member representing the good people of Abeokuta in the Abeokuta State Constituency. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise this afternoon to personally explain issues of great concern to me, and that has to do with my constituents. It is on record that the men of the Nigerian Customs came to a shop where a woman is selling plate and some other household use stuff. And in there, they packed some jerrycan of petroleum products. And this is of great concern to me. It is also important, Mr. Speaker, to know that these people are not to be tagged smugglers just because they are getting petroleum products to be used for their businesses and also in their homes. As a matter of urgency, to checkmate the excesses of the Nigerian Customs, particularly along the Abeokuta local government.
Speaker, Right Honorable Olakunle Oluomo, in his response, called on the State Command of Nigeria Customs Service to abide by the standard of rule of engagement in the discharge of their official duties.
There's always what is called rule of engagement for military and paramilitary forces. It's the rule that guides them in their operations. I want to appeal to them to behave maturely and consider the life and property of people. I want to call on all the representatives of Ogun State and the National Assembly to please help us raise this matter on the floor of the National Assembly and do the needful for us in Abuja.
Also at the plenary, the Obas and Chiefs Amendment Law 2023 scaled first reading following the reading of its long title by the clerk and the head of legislative service, Mr. Deji Adeyemo, before the state lawmakers.